Welcome to the Mizzou Grape and Wine Institute YouTube channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to operate and calibrate a pH meter. Before taking measurements, it's important to do a calibration. Unscrew the electrode refilling cap. Remove the electrode protective cap. Rinse the electrode with distilled water. Gently blot it with a lint-free tissue, like Kim wipes. Avoid rubbing the electrode as it has a sensitive membrane around it. Generally, we need more than one buffer for calibrating a pH meter. The first will be a neutral buffer with a pH of 7, and the second should be near the expected sample pH. We use a pH 3 buffer for measuring acidic samples like wine and grape juice. Immerse the electrode tip and the temperature probe into the pH 7 solution. Press the calibrate button to begin reading. Gentle swirling can help achieve a homogeneous sample. Ensure that the electrode is fully submerged and that it is not touching the sides or bottom of the container. Wait for a stable reading and for the CFM blinking to start. Press confirm to accept the calibration point. Rinse the electrode and gently pat it dry between buffers. Then immerse the probes into the pH 3 buffer. If you stir your buffer before measuring, be sure to stir all other buffers and samples in the same way. As pH readings are temperature dependent, immersing the temperature probe in the buffer means the pH meter can compensate for any temperature variations and provide a more precise pH measurement. Wait for a stable reading and for the CFM to start blinking. Press confirm to accept the calibration point. When the 2 points of calibration are completed, rinse the electrode and dry it gently. Rinse the electrode with distilled water and dab dry with a lint-free tissue. The meter is now calibrated and ready for use. To take a measurement, immerse the calibrated electrode in the sample. Stir gently to mix the sample well. Wait until the reading has stabilized. 3.21 is the pH level of the sample. Clean the electrode after use. When operating a pH meter, do not use tap water for cleaning. Leave the electrode dry. Store the electrode in distilled water. Remember, never store the electrode in distilled water. And recalibrate regularly for optimal performance. Thank you for watching. GWI Service Lab presents this video tutorial for how to operate a pH meter.